In this video, we will factor this binomial. There is no common factor, but we notice that we have a cube right here. That makes us think that perhaps this is the difference of two cubes. So it's just a matter of is 343 a perfect cube? Is 125 a perfect cube? You can easily use your TI-30XS Multiview to generate a list of perfect cubes. Just hit your table button and you can just type in x to the third power like that. I'm going to start it off at 1. Just hit enter a few times. Now here we have a list of perfect cubes. 1 to the third power, 2 to the third power, 3 to the third power, etc. So I'm looking for 125 and 343. So I could just scroll down my list. Alright, there's 125. That's a perfect cube of 5. And let's see, and there's 343, which is 7 to the third power. So I can use that information. Now that I know that I'm dealing with perfect cubes, then I can use the pattern that we've learned for factoring the sum or difference of two cubes. And that is that these types of problems will always factor as a binomial and then a trinomial. For the binomial, it will just be the cube root of each of these terms. So the cube root of 343 is 7, alright, as we just saw from the chart here. The cube root of x to the third power will just be x, and then 125 comes from 5 to the third power. So that's how we get the binomial. Now for the trinomial. For the trinomial, you simply square each of these. So if I take this and I square it, I'm going to get 49x squared. If I take negative 5 and I square it, I'm going to get a positive 25. Now for the middle, you multiply these two together. So that's going to give me 35x. Now I put a positive 35 because it's always the opposite sign, and sometimes we use the acronym SOAP to help us remember how the signs go. Compared to the original problem, the first sign is always the same, and the second one is always opposite, and the third one is always positive. So SOAP stands for same, opposite, always positive. Same, opposite, always positive. Anyway, this is the answer. Oh, we should look and see which one of the answers this matches. And okay, 7x minus 5, 49x squared. I need a plus 35x. So I keep looking. It looks like F is going to be the answer.